Gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Oluoch. Today's video is this: Resolutions 2024. Resolutions 2024. I've been thinking for a while, what do I want to achieve in this year? And what would majority of Kenyans want to achieve in this year? The Kenyan economy, things are very tough, and many people are looking for money. Many people are looking for money. So if Kenyans can get money and more money in their pockets, then Kenyans would be a happy lot. As at now, many Kenyans are struggling. Many Kenyans are not able to afford basic needs. So many Kenyans are in the struggle to afford food, fuel, and basically to pay bills. So many Kenyans right now, they are in the process of looking for money. And we are not just looking for any other money, we are looking for American dollars. This is the money Kenyans want to see. American dollars. This is the money we want. We don't want any other money. We want American dollars. So ladies and gentlemen, I've been thinking for myself for a while. How do I make 1 million shillings in a year? How do I make 1 million shillings in a year? And the simplest answer is, a year has 365 days. So if you save 3,000 daily, in a year, it will be 1 million shillings. Now let's make this mathematics a little bit sweeter. So how do you make more? So if you save 30,000 shillings per day, times 365 days, the money becomes 10 million. And if you save 300,000 daily for 365 days, the money becomes 100 million. And if you save 3 million daily for 365 days, the money becomes 1 billion. There are few traders trading in the tune of billions of shillings. I want to be there. I want to be there. So I've decided that in the year 2024, I don't want to make 3,000 daily and end up with 1 million at the end of the year. I want to make more. So can I make 30,000 daily? Well, depends with how the market is going. It is possible to make 30,000 daily. Can I make 300,000 daily? Depends with how the market is going. It can be sometimes, but sometimes it's not possible. So I want us to have a focus. Write down, do you want to make 3,000 shillings daily? Do you want to make 30,000 shillings daily? Write down your 2024 financial goal. And together we can achieve this dream. If you are watching this video and you don't know how to go about it, you can send a message on WhatsApp. My telephone number is 0720 969 361. My telephone number is 0720 969 361. I will guide you to start making dollars in the financial market. I will guide you to start making money in the financial market. I will guide you to start making 3,000 daily times 365. I will guide you to make your first 1 million shillings in the financial market. Call me. My number is 0720 969 361. Together, let's grow. Together, let's all become millionaires. Things in Kenya are very tough, and if you're not growing, if you're not printing money, then life becomes extremely difficult. I don't want you to suffer. I want you to enjoy soft life. Uriti. Bye bye. Kwaheri ya kuonana. Zaijian, and see you in the next video.